These are the all-new PolarPro Shift Diopters, and today we're going to talk about them. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the PolarPro Shift Diopters. Now, if you're not familiar with what diopters are, basically diopters are a magnifying glass for your lens. They sort of mimic what a macro lens is able to do, and they basically just get you closer to your subject. Okay, before we jump into it, let me just let you know, PolarPro did not pay for this video. They do not get to see this before it comes out. They did send these to us for a review, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so if you're new to filters and who PolarPro is, let me just give you a quick overview. So PolarPro is a filter company. Mainly over the last several years, they have focused on filters like this, which is a variable ND filter. And this is more of a traditional photography or videography filter, or something like this, which is a circular polarizer filter. And again, this is a traditional photography filter. They've sort of found themselves in the realm of those. They've made filters for regular cameras, they've made filters for drones or smaller action cameras. But just this past year, they've sort of dipped their toes into the more cinema realm, where they've made these more cinematic style filters, something like this, which is a split, or what they call the center split filter. And this is closer to the lines of what we'll be talking today, where it's like a magnifier or more of an effects style filter. And then they made this one last year, which is called the warp filter. Again, it's more of an effects filter where it creates a certain effect and it gives you a certain look. Now, you can use these for photography, but again, you can use these for cinematography. But the point is, they've sort of dip their toes in where they're starting to make a line of filters where you can have a more creative look on your videos or your photography. And that's where the Shift comes into play. Now, a couple years ago, they did create a filter right here called the Short Stash Everyday filter. And the idea of this filter is it's the combination of a diffusion filter, which is another type of traditional photography filter, with a polarizer. And the reason why it's called Short Stash is it's branded after a pretty well-known photographer named Garrett King. His brand is called Short Stash. And again, why they call it the everyday filter is the idea is you keep it on your camera every day, and you could just kind of keep this with you at all times, and you'll have the perfect polarizer / diffusion filter ready to go wherever you are, whatever you're filming or whatever you're shooting. So once again, they decided to partner with Garrett again, and that's where they came up with the Diopter set. Before we jump into this demonstration that I'm going to do here in a few minutes, let's talk about what the diopters actually are and what you get in the pack. So of course, you get standard, really nice packaging from PolarPro. They do a really good job of branding and packaging. The kit comes with a really nice premium case. It's a like rainproof case, sort of like a material that you'd find on like a backpack, almost like a rubberized material. You get a double zipper, and then inside it, you get a 3-pouch slot with really nice padding. And then inside each of the pouches, you will see the diopters. Now, going along with the brand of Short Stash, his whole thing is this kind of olive metallic green or matte green type of look. And that sort of plays through here in all of the branding on these filters as well. So from the Short Stash Everyday filter, I have two different versions here. This is the normal threaded Everyday filter, and then this is the Helix Maglock filter. And then on each one of the diopters, these are the threaded version. You can get these in the Maglock version as well. And I'll talk about the sizes and the prices here in just a second. You can see that they are also in the olive matte green type color around the edges here. And they're branded with the Short Stash logo. And then of course, each one is branded with or labeled with what prescription or what strength the filter actually is. So in the filter pack, you get a +2, a +4, and a +8 or strength filter. And they go from 49 millimeters. So you can actually get these in a really small size, which is unusual. A lot of times the diopters that are out there on the market don't come in the smaller sizes for your smaller lenses, which is really cool. And I'll talk about that in a second, why that's important. They go all the way up to the Helix Maglock series. So if you have the Helix Maglock series of filters, that's a plus. But you can also get them in some weird sizes like the 86C and the 95C. And then I will also put the prices because they go from the smallest price, which is the 49mm series, which is $149, and they go all the way up for the Helix, which is the most expensive at $399. Now, those prices include the entire set. And again, the set comes with the case, so you're getting the 3 filters and the case in the set. So the prices and the sizes will be up here right now. Okay, so going back to what I was talking about for size and step-up rings. So again, it's cool that they make them in a smaller size for the smaller lenses. You kind of want these in particular to be the size of your lens. Normally, I recommend when you buy a filter to buy the largest size filter. That way you can just use step-up rings for all of your lenses. So in this case, so this lens right here is a 52mm threaded filter size for the front of the lens, but normally I would buy an 82mm size filter, and then I would just adapt that with a ring, and it normally wouldn't make a difference if I'm using something like a polarizer or a diffusing filter or anything like that. But with these filters in particular, because of the shape of the magnifying glass and the fact that you're using glass that's warped, the closer you get to the center of the glass, the less of the distortion, less distortion starts to happen. I recommend that you get the right size for the lens that you need, because this is more of like a specific, almost prescription for your lens. Think of it like glasses for your lens. It's just food for thought when you're thinking about buying a set. All right, some closing thoughts. I, again, definitely recommend that you pick up a set of diopters, whether it's these or any diopters on the market. I think it's just a handy set of tools to have in your kit, whether you're a photographer or a videographer or just a cinematographer, filmmaker. Just having these to expand your lens kit or your creativity palette, I think, is just really important, and it's just a fun tool to have. These in particular I would highly recommend, just because of, again, the price point and what you're getting for that price. The 3 diopters plus the case, I think, is just a really good deal. There's nothing really on the market like these as far as quality and price. There's more expensive, and then there's cheaper, of course. So you could go more budget and you could get more expensive. But again, PolarPro does bring really great quality products to the table. So definitely check these out. That would be my recommendation. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like it down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.